Today is the day that my flight is going on. So my flight is around 1:30, but I'm going there earlier kasi this is my first time to travel my solo. So yeah, here's my, I will tour you my little room. First thing first, you will see that, yeah, I put some books here, my accessories in my room spray. So up there is my um, grocery, but I put here because this is the remaining. Yeah, so it's for free. And here is my charging station. I have the extension right here, and there. Hi everyone, today is 200 days here in Manila. So my flight is around 1:30 p.m. March 30. So my luggage, my hand carry, and the chicken bags, my laptop, and my tablet bag, and also my tripod. Oh my god, sorry. So yeah, the tripod and my Korean, because when I go back right there, I'm still having my Korean class. Yeah, so don't mind that because that's my laundry bucket. So yeah. For my OOTD tomorrow, this is my OOTD tomorrow. I love the white dresses right now, and this is my usually I put my clothes on, and now it is an empty. Then I will leave that here, and also my backpack. Then I decided my pillowcases to put here so that will be organized. And also here is the thing that I will leave, like the prayer dress, and my grocery is on the top, and my books is here. I put it here, and also my room spray, room fabric, room perfume. So I put it here for overview. That's it. Bye. Turn left. Continue straight. Continue straight.
رفع سمكها فسواها وإذا العشار عطلت إذا النفوس زوجت وإذا الماء كشطت بالله من الشيطان
So yeah, I am here. So yung flight ko daw is closed, and the time of my flight is around 12. So hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-close. So yeah, this is an experience. Solo travel for today. Thank you. So after that is pa-boarding gate na po ako. Sa step 3 na po. With my luggage. This is my solo travel, and thank you. So see you there. I'll be right back. Bye. I'm on the step 3. I'm already done for all. So I don't know where to go right now. Yes. Yes. I remember on the security. So I'm just following what people doing. Okay? Bye. So update po, I'm on the security check for my luggage. Mahaba pa naman ng oras, so I have a time to vlog right now. So yeah, wish me luck. Yeah, I'm here now. So I don't know where my gate is to be announced pa. So yes, I'm gonna wait muna. Hi guys. So my flight is my gate is 120. Jensen is 120, so I'm gonna look for it, diba? I don't know where is it, but yeah, I'm trying to find it. And today I am going to look for my gates. I'm so very shy because a lot of people right now looking at me, staring at me.
Kindly proceed to our gate 150 and stand by for your flight boarding announcement.
There you go. Hi guys. So as a solo traveler, I must be attentive. Kasi nga po, you have to deal yourself. I don't know where is it. So yeah, I'm heading to Don't Mind the Pimple because that's a girl. Hindi siya makita. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Kasi nga po, hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko. But I'm heading to the gate 120. Diba? ang layo pa pala. Malayo pa pala kasi nga hindi ko alam. So very shy to speak right now.
Okay, so those assigned under boarding group number 1 for those guests traveling with infants.
Yun nga, this is not my usually vlog na just capturing the moment. I am now trying to have to speak with you, to share my thoughts, what I'm gonna do to share my travel with you guys.
General Santos is now inviting guests to board Airborne Gate 120. Those assigned under board.
I'm about to board. Where is it? So I'm on board now. Yeah. I'm on board. So good luck for me. Oh, kitang-kita na ang picture tayo for today.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Department ng 5J995 patungong General Santos. Maaari po lamang natawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad.
seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Muli po namin pinaalalahan.
Doors may be open. Passengers, welcome to General Santos.
So here I am, and I'm gonna get my baggage. Bye. And touchdown in Jensan. Woo! So excited to see my parents and my siblings also. Yeah, I've been in Manila for 200 days and now I am coming back home. That's the sweetest thing. Buti na lang pinababa ko na yung there's no cargo right here. Walang mga so I'm gonna find my bag here.
Once again, passengers under boarding
Where are they? Wait lang. Kanila na register ko sige, videoan tayo. Alika. Alika. Ay, do. Hi, my dear sister. Hi, how are you? Ay, do. Nakipasan. How are you? Ha? Uwi ka? Iway.
Wala akong masakyan, wala din akong kasundo.
May taxi po.
Ay, kung taxi nang mag-isa lang ako. Saan ka lang napunta? Ano, papuntang ano?
Tara. Hi, so I am here in Jensan na. So hi, one is done. Today,
Nahida Abdul.
Assalamualaikum.
Maki.